Here's a little update on what's going on out here. So that was a greenhouse originally when we bought the property. We have not even used it. It's kind of gotten to be in disrepair, but the frame is still good. So 3/4 of it, I had it set and formed. They're pouring a foundation for it today. It's gonna be a roll-up door that goes in there, and that's gonna wind up being feed storage and also storage for the mower, any type of landscaping stuff. And then off to the side, when I cover that area, that's gonna be a lean-to, kind of a hideout area for the dogs for bad weather, for the outside dogs. Then over here near the shop, it's gonna be additional 15 by 30 set. That gets poured today too. Put up poles, trusses, and make it a 3-sided building right here, so I can have an open outside area to do more metal work like oxy-fuel cutting and grinding. So starting to grow a little bit. Thanks.